This week I'm testing the Nissan Patrol. It's a big 7-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Nissan Patrol there are Isofix in the 2 outer second row seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they are nice and easy to connect to. Now there's top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 second row seats. They are just really difficult to access. They're right at the very bottom, almost underneath the seats. I found you had to go through the boot or the 3rd row seats to access them, but then by putting the 3rd row seats down to climb through, they actually obstructed access to those anchorages. So it is a bit of a juggle. Now I found I could really easily fit 3 forward facing or rear facing child seats in this 2nd row. There was plenty of space. In the 3rd row, there is 1 top tether anchorage on one of the seats, so that's really good to be able to put a child seat in the back there. What I did find was you have to be really careful what type of seat you put back there, because I found only a simple booster seat gave enough leg room. In the 3rd row, I found there's enough leg room for probably a 170cm passenger and enough headroom as well. I'm 162 and I find there's plenty back here for me. Storage is good as well. There are 2 cup holders on either side. They are very big and they will hold a large refillable water bottle and a disposable or reusable coffee cup fit in them too. Storage in the 2nd row of the Nissan Patrol is really good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in them too. Now you can access the central console esky from the back here, which is fantastic. You just pop the lid and stick your hand in for a snack. It's really good. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold and conceal an iPad, and the headphones will fit in there for these fantastic DVD screens too. The door bins are a good size. They will hold a large refillable water bottle and my wallet fitted in there too. Now in both these back rows there's ventilation in the ceiling, which is really good and makes a big difference in the summer in a big 7-seater like this. Storage in the front is good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup and a large refillable water bottle fitted in there as well. Behind there's a few little storage areas for coins, things like that. And there's another covered well as well in the central console. There's not a phone charging area, so I found that the best spot for my phone. The central console storage box is enormous. It's actually a fridge, which I've found really useful for keeping little lunches and things like that cold while we're on the road. The glove box is a good size. I could get my wallet in there with the manual and a couple of DVDs for the DVDs players in the back. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, which is nicely lined to protect your lenses. And the door bins are a good size. They will hold a large refillable water bottle and my wallet fitted in there too. The boot door of the Patrol opens and closes with this beeping sound. It's not too loud, but it might disturb a sleeping baby. Now once you're in the boot, there is a little bit of storage underneath the boot floor here. Now you can raise and lower these 3rd row seats just by pulling the tab on the shoulder here. But I did find I had to go around to the 2nd row to raise the seats again, just so I'm not tall enough to reach across to pull those up. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. When only using 5 seats, it will hold 22 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller and 14 shopping bags, or the Britax Flex tandem stroller and 15 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Urban Jungle single stroller and 14 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller and 18 shopping bags, or a really large dog. When using all 7 seats, it will hold 8 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller and 3 shopping bags, or the Britax Flex tandem stroller and 2 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Urban Jungle single stroller and 3 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller and 4 shopping bags, or a small dog. The Patrol is a really nice car to drive. It is very big and I find it really fills every parking space. There's no room either side for getting in and out of the car, so you have to park quite strategically. To drive, it's really smooth. It's actually quiet for such a capable off-road car. I'm really surprised at how quiet the engine is and how smooth and nice it is. It's a bit of a guilty luxury really. I've really enjoyed having the TV screens in the back of the headrests, because my daughter's been watching those while I've been listening to my own things in the front, and that's actually a really nice feature. The media system in the Patrol is relatively simple to navigate through the screen. There are a lot of buttons on the dash here that I find a little bit confusing, and it doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, unfortunately. When I put it into reverse, the camera image, it's good to have these different screens and different views, and you can mute the parking sensor just by pressing the button here, which is a really good feature. So to sum up with the Nissan Patrol, it is really nice to see a luxury interior on a big, capable off-road car that's also good for the family too.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.